Good day, welcome to Drum TV. My name is Brenda Sokota. Some of us have to make major financial decisions after we complete universities, while others have to pay student loans for education. Then after we want to buy a car, or maybe want to buy a house, we speak to Eunice Sibiya, the head of consumer education at FNB, to give us some advice on lending.
Good day guys, this is Eunice Sibiya from FNB, head of consumer education. Today I'd like us to talk about borrowing. What is borrowing? Why do we need to borrow? What are we borrowing for? But before we get into those questions, or the answers to the questions, here are some pointers that I'd like to leave you thinking about. At the end, maybe once you've considered the elements, you'll then still decide whether you need that loan or not. Firstly, affordability. Will you be affording that loan? I mean this new loan that you want to take out. Over and above the other debts that you have, do you have surplus money to meet the premiums for the duration of the loan? Think about that. Secondly, where are you going to get the loan from? Formal institutions like banks and other microlenders, or around the corner where you cannot negotiate the interest rate? Which one is best? Always consider to have engagements with reputable institutions. Point 3, what exactly is that loan for? Is it a need or is it a want? Or is it a want that you're converting into a need? If it's for a need, you still need to plan for it. Think about it. Do you need it now or is it something that can wait? If it's a want is something that you can live without. So if it's not going to be adding any value to your life, to your financial standing, maybe you can let it pass. You be the judge. Point 4, those terms and conditions. You know they do apply, always. Do you understand them? Ask questions. Make sure you understand them. And there's a new regulation that says before you take out a loan, you need to be given a quotation. Study that quotation. It has the amount, it has the interest you're going to be charged, delivery, if there's a delivery needed in that transaction, and everything else that's going to be added. And then the final total amount of the loan. Remember, maybe you're borrowing or you're buying an item for 6,999 rand. What is the final figure? We never look at the final figure. What attracts us is the monthly premium. If it's enough for me to afford in the month, maybe it's 388 rand. I'm like, good, I can afford 388 rand. We always disregard the rest of the elements. We don't look at the term. We don't look at the final figure, the actual amount of the loan, and that kills us. So look at that. You are obliged to pay. Terms and conditions always apply. I am Eunice Sibiya, Head of Consumer Education Program at FNB. To continue this conversation, go get yourself a copy of Drum magazine today.